Hello and welcome. This equation is much easier than it looks. Notice that here we have the cube root of 34 minus x. We also have it here. Then here we have 34 minus x without the cube root. Here we have the cube root of x plus 1. We also have it here. Now here we have x plus 1 without the cube root. So to simplify this equation, let the cube root of 34 minus x be equal to a, while the cube root of x plus 1 is equal to b. Now, of course, you know that if the cube root of 34 minus x is equal to a, then 34 minus x must be equal to a to the power 3. And if the cube root of x plus 1 is equal to b, then x plus 1 must be equal to b to the power 3. So we can now write this equation as a to the power 3 times b minus b to the power 3 times a divided by a minus b is equal to 30. Now, when you look at these two terms, you will see a common factor, which is a times b. So we can factorize this numerator. We have ab times a cube b divided by ab is a squared, and minus b cube a divided by ab is minus b squared. In the denominator, we still have a minus b, and this is still equal to 30. Now here we have the difference of two squares, so we can further factorize this numerator. We have ab times a plus b times a minus b divided by a minus b. And of course, this is equal to 30. Now, you know that for the original equation to be defined, then a minus b cannot be equal to 0. So this can cancel that. And we have ab times a plus b is equal to 30. Now, also, notice that 34 minus x plus x plus 1 is equal to 35, because minus x plus x is equal to 0 and 34 plus 1 is equal to 35. But then 34 minus x is a cube and x plus 1 is b cube. So this simply means that a cube plus b cube is equal to 35. But also, you know that a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b cube minus 3ab times a plus b. A cube plus b cube is equal to 35. Here we have a plus b cube. Now remember that this ab times a plus b is equal to 30. So here we have minus 3 times 30. 3 times 30 is equal to 90. Let us move this over to the left-hand side. So we have 35 plus 90 is equal to a plus b cube. 35 plus 90 is 125. So a plus b cube is equal to 125. And of course, when we take cube root of both sides of this equation, we have that a plus b is equal to the cube root of 125, which is equal to 5. So we have that a plus b is equal to 5. Now, once more, we go back to this equation. A plus b is equal to 5. So we have that ab times 5 is equal to 30. To find the value of ab, we divide both sides of this equation by 5. So we have that ab is equal to 30 divided by 5, which is equal to 6. Now, this simply means that the cube root of 34 minus x times x plus 1 is equal to 6. Now, to get rid of this cube root, let us raise both sides of this equation to power 3. This will take care of that. We have that 34 minus x times x plus 1 is equal to 6 raised to power 3, which is 216. Now, opening these brackets, we have 34 times x, that is 34x. 34 times 1, 34, minus x times x, minus x squared, minus x times 1, minus x. This is equal to 216. 34x minus x is 33x plus 34 minus x squared is equal to 216. Now let us move these terms over to the opposite side. We have x squared minus 33x plus 216 minus 34 is equal to 0. From here we have x squared minus 33x. 216 minus 34 is 182. This is equal to 0. Now we can solve this quadratic equation by factorization. Since the coefficient of x squared is 1, all we need to do is to find the factors of 182 that add up to minus 33. And we have minus 7 and minus 26. Minus 7 times minus 26 is going to give us 182, while minus 7 minus 26 is going to give us minus 33. So when we factorize the left-hand side, we have x minus 7 multiplied by x minus 26 is equal to 0. And from here, we have that either x minus 7 is equal to 0 from where x is equal to 7, or x minus 26 is equal to 0 from where x is equal to 26. So we have two values of x. We have 7 and we have 26. Now to check, when x is equal to 7, we have 34 minus 7, that is 27, times the cube root of 7 plus 1, that is 8, minus 7 plus 1, that is 8, times the cube root of 34 minus 7, that is 27, divided by the cube root of 27 minus the cube root of 8. Now here we have 27 times the cube root of 8 is 2. 8 times the cube root of 27 is 3. Divided by the cube root of 27 is 3. The cube root of 8 is 2. 27 times 2 is 54. Minus 8 times 3 is 24. Divided by 3 minus 2 is 1. 54 minus 24 is 30, which is exactly what we have on the right-hand side. And when x is 26, we have 34 minus 26, that is 8, times the cube root of 26 plus 1, that is 27, minus 26 plus 1, that is 27, times the cube root of 34 minus 26, which is 8, divided by the cube root of 34 minus 26, which is 8, minus the cube root of 26 plus 1, which is 27. Now, we have 8 times the cube root of 27 is 3, minus 27 times the cube root of 8 is 2, divided by the cube root of 8 is 2, and the cube root of 27 is 3. We have 24 minus 54. divided by minus 1. Now this is equal to minus 30 divided by minus 1, which is equal to plus 30. So the two values of x satisfy the original equation. And with that, we come to the end of this tutorial. I hope you learned something new. If you enjoy such content, please subscribe to the channel. Give us a like to support the channel. Thanks for watching, and you can see more tutorials here.